Hello, myself Praveen Thorat. Today's date is 1st August 2024, and my today's topic is hard work versus smart work. Before difference between hard work and smart work, let's understand each of concepts. First one is hard work. Hard work refers to diligent and strenuous effort put into task or job. It involves investing a significant amount of time and energy to accomplish a goal. This type of work often relies on persistence, dedication, and strong work ethic. Hard workers are characterized by their commitment to putting in long hours and consistently giving their best effort. The emphasis on hard work is on sheer amount of labor and dedication to achieve success. Smart work, on the other hand, it is a strategic and efficient approach to accomplish tasks. It involves leveraging one's resources, skills, and times most effectively to achieve optimal result. Smart workers focus on finding innovative solutions, streamlining process, and prioritizing tasks based on their impact. Unlike hard work, smart work is not solely about amount of effort exerted, but rather about working intelligently to maximize productivity and achieve goals more efficiently. And then we can discuss some points. First one is the approach. In hard work involves putting a significant amount of time and effort without necessarily focusing on strategy. The emphasis is on dedication, persistence, and leverage effect. In smart work involves a strategic approach to tasks, focusing on efficiency, effectiveness, and optimal use of resources. Smart workers prioritize tasks based on their impact and look for innovative solutions to problems. Then second one is time management. In hard work often requires a considerable time investment with an emphasis on long hours and continuous efforts to achieve goals. In smart work, prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency, leading to better time management. It involves identifying and eliminating time wasting activities. Then third one is problem solving. In hard work tends to rely on perseverance and sheer effect to overcome challenges without necessarily the approach. In a smart work focuses on finding efficient and innovative solutions to problems. Smart workers analyze the situation, identify the most effective methods, and implement strategic solutions. Result oriented in hard work often focuses on the process and effort put into task. Sometimes, regardless of actual outcome, success is associated with the amount of labor invested. Smart work emphasize achieving goals and outcomes efficiently. Success is measured by impact of work rather than the sheer amount of effort. Then next point is adaptability. In hard work, sometimes lead to burnout if the effort is not aligned with the well thought on strategy. May resist change in methods or approaches. In smart work, encourage adaptability and willingness to adjust strategies based on feedback and changing circumstances. Smart workers are more likely to embrace new technologies and methodologies. Then next point is innovation. In hard work, may follow traditional and established methods without actively seeking or implementing innovative approaches. In smart work, encourage a mindset of continuous improvement and innovation. Smart workers are open to exploring new ideas and approaches to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. The next one is sustainability. In hard work can be physically and mentally demanding, potentially leading to burnout if sustained over a long period without breaks or strategic planning. In smart work focuses on unsustainable efforts, balancing workload and importing breaks, rest, and smart workers aim for long-term success without combining their well-being. There are main difference between hard work and smart work. Hard work centers on efforts and persistence, while smart work focuses on efficiency, strategy, and achieving optimal results with less effort. Combining elements of both can lead to well-rounded and effective work approach. Thank you so much.